Audi builds some of the most advanced cars on the road, but that complexity hides features that quietly destroy reliability if you don't understand them. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 Audi systems that need extra attention for long-term ownership, including ones that can trigger $3,000 to $5,000 repairs with almost no warning. Stay until the end, because the number one feature catches even experienced Audi owners off guard and is one of the biggest reasons high-mileage Audis fail prematurely. Number 10. Aggressive start-stop calibration. Audi's start-stop system automatically shuts off the engine at traffic lights to save fuel, but some owners report that certain models have more aggressive calibration than other manufacturers. The system may activate in situations where other brand systems would remain running. The constant starting and stopping puts additional stress on the starter motor and battery compared to conventional operation. While these components are designed for increased duty cycles, they may require replacement sooner than in vehicles without start-stop systems. Some independent Audi specialists report seeing starter motor issues in the 80,000 to 120,000 mile range on vehicles with heavy start-stop use, though many last much longer. Replacement costs typically range from $600 to $1,000 depending on the model. The system also increases the number of engine start cycles, which can contribute to wear during the brief period when oil pressure is building. However, modern engines are designed to handle these additional cycles. What many owners don't realize is that the start-stop system can be disabled, though it resets to active each time you start the car. Some drivers prefer to disable it in heavy traffic or during short trips to reduce cycling. The start-stop system represents modern automotive technology's balance between emissions, compliance, and traditional durability expectations. Understanding how it works helps owners make informed decisions about its use. Number 9. DSG Dry Clutch. Thermal Sensitivity DQ200. Audi's smaller engines often use a dry clutch, DSG transmission, DQ200, that operates without oil cooling the clutch packs. This design saves weight and complexity, but can be more sensitive to thermal stress than wet clutch alternatives. The dry clutches generate heat during operation, especially in stop-and-go traffic or aggressive driving. Without oil cooling, the clutch material can be more vulnerable to overheating and glazing in severe conditions. Some independent specialists report dry clutch DSG issues in the 60,000 to 100,000 mile range, particularly on vehicles used primarily in city driving, though many examples last well beyond 140,000 miles with proper care. Clutch replacement typically costs $2,500 to $4,000. The dry clutch design can be sensitive to certain driving behaviors, like extended creeping in traffic or resting your foot on the brake pedal. Learning proper DSG driving techniques can help maximize longevity. Audi's dry clutch, DSG, requires specific maintenance including regular fluid changes and avoiding extended periods of clutch slip. Many owners aren't aware of these requirements until problems develop. The dry clutch design represents a compromise between efficiency and thermal management that works well when properly maintained and operated within design parameters. Number 8. Direct injection carbon cleaning requirements. Audi's direct injection engines require periodic carbon cleaning every 40,000 to 80,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. But this isn't always clearly communicated in standard maintenance schedules. The carbon buildup develops gradually and isn't visible during routine service. Direct injection sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber, bypassing the intake valves entirely. This means fuel never washes the intake valves clean, allowing carbon deposits from the PCV system to accumulate over time. The carbon buildup can cause misfires, rough idle, and reduced power. Professional walnut blasting service typically costs $800 to $1,200 and is considered routine maintenance on direct injection engines. What makes this challenging is that Audi markets direct injection as advanced technology that improves performance and efficiency. But the maintenance requirements aren't always emphasized during the sales process. Many Audi owners discover the carbon cleaning requirement when their car starts running poorly or during pre-purchase inspections. Planning for this service helps avoid surprise maintenance costs. The carbon cleaning requirement is common across most direct injection engines from various manufacturers. Understanding this maintenance need helps owners budget appropriately for long-term ownership. Number 7. Electronic thermostat complexity. Audi uses electronically controlled thermostats that can open and close based on engine load and operating conditions. While this provides precise temperature control, it adds complexity compared to traditional mechanical thermostats. The electronic thermostat optimizes engine temperature for emissions and efficiency, which may result in different operating temperatures than older mechanical systems. This is generally within design parameters, but represents a change from traditional cooling strategies. Some specialists report that electronic thermostat failures can be more expensive to diagnose and repair than mechanical units, with replacement costs typically ranging from $400 to $800, including programming. The electronic thermostat system requires proper diagnostic equipment for testing and replacement. This can make repairs more complex at shops without Audi-specific tools and training. When electronic thermostats fail, they may not provide the obvious symptoms of traditional mechanical failures, potentially making diagnosis more challenging for inexperienced technicians. The electronic thermostat represents modern engine management technology that provides benefits when functioning properly, but requires specialized knowledge for service and repair. Number 6. PCV system complexity. Audi's positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system uses a complex network of valves and separators that can fail and create excessive crankcase pressure. When this happens, it can force oil past seals throughout the engine. PCV system failures can affect multiple engine seals, with the rear main seal being particularly vulnerable due to its location. Rear main seal replacement requires transmission removal, typically costing $1,500 to $2,500. Some independent Audi specialists report PCV-related issues around 80,000 to 120,000 miles, particularly on engines with extended oil change intervals. The PCV components themselves are relatively inexpensive, but secondary damage can be costly. PCV system problems often develop gradually, with oil leaks or consumption being the first noticeable symptoms. Early detection and repair can prevent more extensive damage to engine seals. Audi's PCV system design is sensitive to oil change intervals and oil quality. Regular maintenance helps prevent PCV valve sticking and subsequent pressure problems. The PCV system represents a maintenance item that benefits from proactive attention rather than waiting for failure symptoms to appear. Number 5. High-pressure fuel pump cam follower (FSI) engines. Older Audi FSI engines and some early EA 888 variants use a cam follower design for the high-pressure fuel pump that's driven by the engine's camshaft. This creates a wear point that requires periodic inspection and maintenance. The cam follower rides on the camshaft lobe to operate the fuel pump. When it wears excessively, it can damage the camshaft lobe, potentially creating metal debris in the oil system. This issue is well documented on certain engine variants, with failures reported in some cases around 60,000 to 100,000 miles. The follower itself costs under $100, but camshaft damage can be expensive to repair. Regular inspection of the cam follower during oil changes can detect wear before damage occurs. Many specialists recommend proactive replacement around 60,000 miles on affected engines. This issue primarily affects specific engine variants and model years. Newer EA888 engines have revised designs that address this concern. The cam follower represents a known maintenance item on affected engines that can be managed through proactive inspection and replacement. Number 4. Timing chain monitoring limitations. Audi engines use timing chains that are designed for long service life, but the monitoring systems may not always detect problems before damage occurs. Chain stretch and guide wear can develop gradually over high mileage. Timing chain stretch causes camshaft timing to change, potentially affecting performance and, in severe cases, causing valve to piston contact. The chain tensioners and guides are also wear items that can fail over time. Some specialists report timing chain issues on high-mileage examples, particularly those with extended oil change intervals. Repair typically requires significant engine disassembly and can cost $3,000 to $6,000. The timing chain monitoring system relies on camshaft position sensors to detect timing variations, but this system may not always provide early warning of developing problems. Regular oil changes and quality oil help extend timing chain life. Some specialists recommend inspection around 120,000 to 150,000 miles on older engines. Timing chain systems generally provide long service life when properly maintained, but high-mileage examples may benefit from proactive inspection. Number 3. Turbocharger heat management. Audi's turbocharged engines generate significant heat, and the packaging sometimes places heat-sensitive components near the turbocharger. This can affect the longevity of surrounding components like wiring harnesses and vacuum lines. The turbocharger creates extreme temperatures during operation, and heat cycling can degrade nearby components over time. This is particularly noticeable in engine bays with tight packaging. Some specialists report heat-related failures of components surrounding turbochargers, including vacuum lines and sensors, typically in the 80,000 to 120,000 mile range, depending on usage and maintenance. Heat soak after shutdown can also affect oil in the turbo lines. Using quality oil and allowing brief cool-down periods after hard driving can help minimize this effect. Audi's Turbo designs balance performance and packaging constraints, which sometimes results in challenging thermal environments for surrounding components. Understanding turbocharger heat management helps owners take steps to maximize component longevity through proper driving and maintenance practices. Number 2. Transmission adaptive learning. Audi's automatic transmissions use adaptive learning algorithms that adjust shift patterns based on driving style. While this provides customized performance, it can sometimes learn patterns that may not be optimal for component longevity. The transmission computer monitors driving patterns and adjusts shift points and pressure to match the driver's style. However, consistently aggressive driving can cause the system to learn more aggressive shift strategies. Some specialists suggest that transmissions with very aggressive learned patterns may experience different wear patterns than those with conservative shift strategies, though this varies significantly based on individual driving habits. The adaptive learning system means that transmission behavior can change gradually over time as the computer learns from driving patterns. This is generally beneficial, but can sometimes mask developing problems. Regular transmission service and occasional adaptation resets by qualified technicians can help maintain optimal shift patterns and performance. The adaptive learning system represents sophisticated transmission technology that generally improves the driving experience when properly maintained. Number 1. Condition-Based Service, CBS, oil intervals. Audi's condition-based service system can recommend oil change intervals up to 10,000 to 15,000 miles, based on driving conditions and patterns. While this system uses multiple inputs, some specialists prefer more conservative intervals for maximum engine longevity. The CBS system uses algorithms based on mileage, time, driving conditions, and various sensors to determine service intervals. This is more sophisticated than simple mileage-based systems, but represents a different approach to maintenance scheduling. Many independent Audi specialists recommend oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, regardless of CBS recommendations, particularly for direct injection engines or severe driving conditions. This represents a more conservative approach to engine protection. The CBS system is designed to balance service costs with engine protection during typical use. But individual driving patterns and preferences may warrant different approaches to maintenance scheduling. Extended oil change intervals can work well for highway driving in ideal conditions, but city driving, short trips, and dusty environments may benefit from more frequent service. Understanding CBS recommendations versus conservative maintenance approaches helps owners make informed decisions based on their specific driving patterns and long-term ownership goals. These 10 features represent areas where Audi owners can benefit from additional attention and understanding beyond standard maintenance schedules. While these systems generally work well when properly maintained, being aware of their specific requirements helps prevent unexpected repairs and maximize vehicle longevity. Before buying any Audi, research these systems for your specific model and consider the maintenance requirements in your ownership planning. Proactive maintenance and understanding these features' limitations can help ensure reliable long-term ownership. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.